Hi students, how are you all? I am very happy to meet you through this video session. I am S. Naveen Kumar, your computer science teacher from Bardasnar Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Today we are going to see in 11th standard computer application subject chapter number 6 an introduction to word processor. Okay, what is the meaning of word processor? With the help of a software, word of OpenOffice software or a text document or a writer, whatever it may be, with the help of that particular software, we want to do a certain task that is called processor. Simply processor which is used to perform a calculation in a computer. Okay. In this session, we are discuss the concept of how to download and install a OpenOffice package. Okay, why it is called as a package, OpenOffice package? So very simple, OpenOffice is a package because in this OpenOffice package we have 6 applications. These are the applications present in that particular OpenOffice package. First application is OpenOffice Writer. What is the usage of OpenOffice Writer? Which is used to create a text document. What is this? Text document. In this text document, which is used for creating a question paper or typing a textbook or typing a study material, whatever it may be, just simply type some content and take a printout. And OpenOffice Calc, in this OpenOffice Calc which is used to perform any arithmetic operations, that is spreadsheet. In this spreadsheet we can perform the calculations. What are the calculations we are going to perform? Means we are entering a student detail, that means we are entering the student mark detail. We want to find the total mark of a particular student and average of a particular student, and then we put a rank for that particular student, and we want to arrange the students in mark wise, that either it may be highest to lower or lower to higher, and we want to find the average of a particular subject and as well as overall performance of a class. These calculations are done in where? OpenOffice Calc. And OpenOffice Base, which is a database. This is a database. This database which is used to store the information and retrieve the information, it can be stored in reference purpose. For example, in our school we have collect a fees and we have collect something. This can be loaded in a system. Whenever we want, we can retrieve that information. So database is a collection of information that should be stored in the form of table structure. And OpenOffice Impress. OpenOffice Impress is also similar to Microsoft Office PowerPoint presentation. PowerPoint presentation. In this PowerPoint presentation, we can create, for example, in front of you I am teaching something, in this screen you are viewed. This should be developed in the form of PowerPoint. Okay. And OpenOffice Draw, which is used to create some drawing applications, which is used to what? Very good. Create some drawing applications. And OpenOffice Formula, we want to create a formula and equations. Formula and equations for doing certain tasks. These are the packages. These are the applications present in that OpenOffice package. Are you clear? OpenOffice is a what? Software package because it consists of these 6 applications. Are you clear, children? Now we are going to discuss how to install a OpenOffice software and how to download that OpenOffice software from internet, because it is a free of cost, no need to pay money. Okay. Students, today we are going to learn how to download the OpenOffice software and how will you install that. Okay, it's a very simple procedure. How? First of all, you open a Google Chrome or any web browser. Okay, in that particular web browser in Google you can type OpenOffice free download for Windows 10 64-bit. That means in my operating system as a Windows 10, suppose you are using Windows 7 means you can type Windows 7, or Windows 8 means Windows 8, and 64-bit, that is a type of an operating system. How can you identify the type of an operating system? It's a very simple. You can open this PC option, this PC, and right click on this PC. Here click the properties option. Here it will shows the Windows 10 operating system and then type of an operating system, 64-bit operating system. So we can choose in this manner Windows 10 64-bit operating system, and then you can click enter. It will search, it will display, and Apache OpenOffice for Windows. You can click on this. You can click on this. Okay, Apache OpenOffice for Windows. And you can click the link Apache OpenOffice 4.1.8 released. Or you can use official download Apache OpenOffice. You can use this link also. Next we are going to see install a OpenOffice. It's a very simple procedure. You can open the location, file location. This is Apache OpenOffice 4.1.7. You can double click on it, or you can right click and select the run as administrator. Okay, after you are clicking run as administrator, it will display a message. You want to make a change. That means, do you want to allow the app from unknown publisher? Yes, you can click yes. The setup is extracting, and click next and install. All the files are extracting, and this is a simple step for installing a OpenOffice. And click next, and the username Naveen Santosh, or you want to change the name also, and next, and typical next, and click install. Updating all the informations about OpenOffice, and then shortcut is also displayed on a desktop. Okay. We have attached the study material in the below description, and self-assessment question paper also attached in that below description. You can go through the study material, and after prepared, and then you can evaluate yourself with the help of your self-assessment question paper. Thank you, student. We will see in the next session.